Hi guys, welcome to another amazing section of Sell Your Market with Probaba. And on here we have Chidnma Ruth Ogbonna. She is a professional masseuse. Chidnma, good to see you and good to have you here.
Good to have you too.
Alright, Chidnma, who is a masseuse?
A masseuse is someone who is trained professionally to give massage services to their clients.
Okay.
Yes, in the sense that they are trained to help relax the clients from stress and then pains and relatively for the body.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we have to ask health-wise, what are the benefits of massage?
Okay, health-wise, the benefit of massage, there are lots of benefits of massage, but I'll just like pick a few. Health-wise, it helps in reducing stress. It's also another form of treatment for treating chronic pains like all these back pains, arthritis, and all the stuff. It also helps in relieving all those pains too. So those are the basic top benefits of massage. And also overall, it helps in the wellness of mental health and well-being. Yeah.
Okay. What can you tell them if someone wants to go into being a massage therapist or a masseuse?
Okay. Being a massage therapist can be challenging.
Okay.
When you want to go into it, you have to check your budget, because you have to pay to train intensively for it. You have to check your budget, you have to check yourself, or you have to check your time, because you have to dedicate your time. You can be booked at any time. Once you've completed your training, you've gotten your license and every other thing. You have to check your time, because you can be booked at any time.
That's to say education.
You have to get the knowledge first.
So is it intensive, capital intensive, when it comes to putting up that? Yeah. Like a spa or thereabout?
Yes, both capital intensive. You have to have the money to keep it going. You have to have the money to keep funding it. If you don't have the money to fund it, it can crash, because you have to have all those utilities, the facilities, the equipment needed for massaging, those stones, the hot stones, and all those stuff.
So what are the challenges generally when you talk about masseuse? I think there are a lot of challenges attached to it. So what are the challenges?
Okay, generally the challenges attached to being a masseuse is that stigma name there.
Yes, I get it. Yes. I get it. So there is this look they give at anybody that says
I'm a masseuse. Even
like what kind of look?
That look like
a prostitute.
Yes, that is what everybody gets. Once you tell someone I'm a masseuse, they'll be like, oh, you give happy endings. It's not everybody that does masseuse that give happy endings. You can go to this part to get a massage, and maybe let me just say, maybe the client wants a happy ending, and he's like, okay, I want a happy ending. You don't give happy endings, and you know you don't do that. You'd be like, no, I don't give happy endings, I only give massage. I provide you with what you want, and then I'm gone. So mostly everybody, if you tell someone I'm a masseuse, they always have that happy ending is always at the back of their mind, but that is not how it works. Normally we go to go and train in order to help people feel okay and look better.
Okay.
Yes, so everything is by choice.
If I would ask, because not everyone there might know what happy ending is, can you just even if you don't go deep into it, can you just
everybody knows.
I don't know if you guys know what happy ending is. As for me, I think I don't know. I'm trying to
You cannot tell me that nobody knows what happy ending
will I say it means getting down?
Yes, it means getting down.
Getting down. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Oh wow, happy ending.
Yeah, that's what it means. So, yeah, so that's why I say it's your choice. It's something you want to. If you want to do it, if it's something you know that professionally you don't want to do it, you just want to be doing your work as a masseuse, no problem. So if the client says, okay, no problem, you do your job, you can go and look for a way to get his happy ending. Yeah, that's just how it is.
So I know that is one of the challenges, the way they look at the masseuse. Like you must have to be doing some nasty things if you're nasty. But professionally, I think massage is just for the well-being.
Yes,
there's a whole lot it does. You get? So I think that it's time to start changing the narratives, because a lot of people out there feel massage has to be happy ending. No, massage helps for your mental health, well-being. You get
muscles,
stress.
your body
helps relax your muscles.
Reduce tension in your muscles.
And I think
that's a lot of things.
That's true. So, and I think from time to time, one has to get a massage.
You have to.
someone like me that works out all the time. So once a while I need a massage.
Yeah, like let's say maybe every weekend.
Every weekend, or probably every 2 weeks or thereabout.
Yeah, you can go and get a massage.
At least to keep the muscles relaxed.
Yes.
What about those that want to start up that are already a masseuse and they don't have equipment? Is that not also a challenge?
That is why I said money.
Like I see some people, they'll say they'll put out their adverts, and you come to find out that it's their home, it's their house, and not everybody is comfortable going to people's houses.
Yeah.
So what do you think? That can you elaborate on that? Let's know.
Okay, so when you venture into starting a masseuse business, you're supposed to have your capital, your budget, everything listed out.
Okay.
When you're about rounding up, because definitely you're supposed to have your own spa, but whereby you're just starting up, you can just print out your cards, you can drop them at any
strategic
outlet,
places.
yes, any strategic places, any outlet that you know that can get you customers.
Okay.
Then if it's your home, not everybody will want to come to your house for a section, but where in the sense that they already know that okay, it's something you've started already. Okay, let me just compensate you, or let me patronize you. They will come. Your home have to be comfortable for them. If you want to use your home for a spa section, it has to be comfortable and conducive for them.
So it has to have the business look,
not
like a house.
Yes, it has to have that business look. The beds, everything, the oil, actually everything, the towels, everything is supposed to be there. So when your client walks in, you already know, this person knows what he's doing. This person knows what she's doing, even though she has not gotten to that bigger stage. But seeing the settings in your home, you already know where you're going to and all those stuff. So yes, money is always a problem in starting it. Then another thing is time. Time is always a problem. Time sometimes it can clash. Sometimes you might not even have time for yourself. So sometimes you might have 2 clients in a day, and it's a stressful work. It's not something that, like, we will say that you will do it and you're working with your wrist, you're working with your elbows. There are different types of massage, so it depends on the one that the client wants. So you're working with all those parts of your body, mostly your hands.
So massage is not just the normal massage. There
are different types of massage.
Like what type? Can you list one?
Okay, we have deep tissue massage. We have the normal general massage. Everybody knows.
So what does the deep tissue massage entail?
The deep tissue massage is more for the inner tissues.
Okay.
Where the hands, when your massage can't reach.
The joints?
Yes, it's more because it's more of using your elbows.
Okay.
So you have to learn, you have to train for giving deep tissue massage. You cannot just go and give someone deep tissue massage before you break.
Before you go break person.
Before you break the person. So you have to learn.
So it's a technique.
Yeah, it's a technique. And it works very well.
So I can't just get up tomorrow and start giving somebody.
You can't just.
I will just use my give you like this. Let's papa your bone for you.
That's just it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So deep tissue massage. Okay.
Yeah, it's very good. That one helps you. It helps to relieve pains, makes you feel relaxed, release all the tensions on your muscles and stuff.
So what's another one you can tell us?
Like we have neuro massage.
Neuro massage.
Yeah, it's that one. And we all know that neuro massage is more about the intimate kind of massage.
Oh, intimate massage.
Yes. It's more of a body-to-body massage.
Okay, body-to-body massage.
Yeah.
Now, this massage, you think, you just I know go learn now. I go learn this massage. Make I dey massage people. But I no go massage married people, not only single.
So that is neuro. It's more of a body-to-body massage. So it's more intimate. It's more like intimate.
So
yeah.
Does it? It's still in the business, like.
Yes, it's still in the business. There are people that would want a neuro massage. So that is where that look, the way people look at people, that is where it comes in.
That's where the look of.
That is where that look comes.
Happy ending and the rest.
Yeah, because of the neuro massage.
But we be human being now. Now men we be now. How woman go just the naked, they use the body, they something must rise now.
Yeah, so
but I think someone like me, I won't go that. I won't do neuro. I'll just do maybe
normal basic.
Yeah. And I advise married people are not supposed to do that because
that's why I said it's your choice.
Yeah, because it's now blood they run for our vein. Before something go start to rise, now you begin find happy ending. So I think it's good we have all this insight because a lot of people have actually gotten this wrong. Like the ideology they have about masseuse is just different. When you tell somebody I want to have a massage, so the first thing that goes to his head is happy ending. You get, and it's wrong.
And it's very wrong. It's wrong.
So I think it's because of the society we are in today, the way everything is revolving. So I think that is part of it. But that should be something that should be corrected. Like we should have a different perspective of it.
We should have a different perspective of it.
If you want to do a massage, you should be able to do it freely, like
it
for a purpose.
When you say it's my profession.
It's my profession. Yeah, because I think a lot of people are, that comes to this, a lot of people are shy when it comes to their profession as a masseuse. They can't tell you boldly that they're masseuse because they think if they tell you, you go come, they look there, oh, this girl a bad girl.
Exactly.
You get
my point.
So I think it's time they start to own up, like, this is what I do, this is my profession.
Because you have your license. It's a profession.
It's a profession.
It's something that you went
and if you check out very well, they actually paid so much to learn this.
Yes, you pay to learn. And when you're done learning, you get your license.
Of course.
So it's a profession. It's something you're supposed to be proud of. Yeah, not something you're supposed to be hiding.
So guys, I think I'm learning so much from this young lady here as a masseuse, and the time for us to change our look, the way we look at them is now. And that is part of the things she's saying on this platform. So, and she's also selling her markets too. You can patronize her. She's a good masseuse. All right, Chidnma, if I would ask, do you give happy ending?
Okay, so I would love to answer the question, but for you to know more, you can actually hit me up on my Snapchat or my IG handle. Anyone that's comfortable with you can hit me up and ask me more questions, and I can answer that question.
All right, guys, she no agree answer. So she said when you hit her up, she go answer you. What's your snap? Can you tell them your Snapchat?
Okay, my Snapchat is Sakara Gem.
Sakara Gem.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you go follow her Snapchat if you want to get a professional body massage. So I'm so happy to have you here, and like I said, this platform we get professionals from different industries. They come up here and give us insights on the challenges and how the one can be profitable. So right now I understand that it's capital intensive. You have to have, first of all, have the education, and then you have to have the funds to get your equipment and get ready. It's not something that you just wake up and you say you want to go and become a masseuse. No, you go break people back. You understand? And me, I know be part of that. So I know go carry people who go come here, come tell us say they be masseuse, come go break people back. All right, nice for having you here. This was so insightful. Man, I love this conversation, and I think it's something we'll be having regularly. And like I said, we always milk it here. Say your market with Probaba. Peace out.
Bye.
Probabafx shop for you.